Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And yesterday I did a video on this children's puzzle, and somebody asked me, they were watching the video, and asked me if I could share this pattern. Because it is crystal clear and it's sharp, and I don't even know what kind of pattern I think a long time ago we used to call that seersucker, but I do not know. I cannot share it because it's not mine. When people send me files, I can't just share it, but I can show you how to draw this almost the same. Just get a rectangle and make it a certain percentage, like I'm going to go 0.125, which is 0.125. We'll make it 4 inches, and I'm going to fill that in with this purple. But I don't want it quite that purple, so I'm going to hold down, I'm going to get rid of my outline. I'm going to hold down the control button, and I'm going to add a little red. And then I'm actually going to add a little white. I don't want it quite that dark, so I'm actually changing the color minutely at a time. Let's add a little more red. But then what you're going to want to do is set your nudge factor on 1/4 of an inch. And Control D and make a duplicate, move it over a certain amount of times. It doesn't really matter how many, because we're going to make sure we're one too big. That's why I went 4 inches. So now we have a 4 inch by 4 inch. Well, we can make it any size we want, but I guess I was just over a little bit. And that's neither here nor there for the video. I'm going to group that together, Control G. And then I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to mirror it or rotate it 90 degrees. You can see we're a little bit off, but it's more like the example. Now we've got two patterns. There we've got two patterns, and this is kind of nice because we can grab one pattern or the other. So we're going to take that pattern and go to the transparency tool. And the only thing you need to know is watch out when you do this that you hit the, keep it the same number. So we're going to go 43, and then click off that, click on the other pattern, get the transformation docker, and try to get to 43 or type in 43. So now you have that pattern, and what is happening, the overlapping transparencies are making it look like that. Matter of fact, I kind of like this one better with the end sticking out. So that's how you would create that pattern. Now this is ultra sharp, and it's a rectangle, so she did it. That's how she did it. Or whoever created this, no, that's mine. This is a 13 pink JPEG. So but it's super sharp. It's like a vector. It is blurry, so it's not a vector. So yours are going to be a vector. And just play around with your colors and transparency tool. Pretty neat item in this case. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.